Hello everyone. Hi, so for today I will quickly show you how to make designs from Canva, what is Canva, and how is it being used online. So this is the home page for Canva, and to give you a quick definition of what Canva is. So it's an online tool which allows users to edit, enhance, and create online images for social media. So here we go. This is my Canva account, and you can actually first they would ask you which design would you want to create. So if you wanted to have or to create an image for your blog banner, Instagram post, your website, your Facebook ad, so you can click on these templates and it would pull up a totally new page where you can start to modify or start to create whatever it is that you wanted to present to your users or to your audience. So just to give you an example, if you would click on Facebook app ad, then it will pull up on the next page with this template. And you can actually choose between different types of templates provided already. And you can click on this one, for example. And if you don't like that, you can have it changed to, let's say, for this one. It's kind of loading, but okay. And if you wanted to make changes to the text, you can actually click on that and typed in whatever you wanted to put in here. So let me have it change here. So say this is my story, right? And if you wanted to change the background photo, you can always do that. You can click on the photos here, the elements, the text style or the font style. And if you have your own photos, you also can click on uploads, and you can upload your own photo and use that as a background instead of the pre-formatted one. So that's how easy that is. And if you're done, you can click on the upper right button. You can publish this one straight to your Facebook group or to your Facebook page, to Twitter, or you want to save it to your Google Drive first, and you can share it to other members of maybe of your group, or you can publish it to Pinterest, to your LinkedIn profile, Slack, Tumblr, WeChat, or if you wanted to save it and have it printed as a business card, you can do that. One of the examples that I made myself is this welcome page for our Facebook group. So here we go. And if I wanted to publish that, then I can just click in here and click on Facebook page. Then it would ask you to which page would you want it published to. So you can click on choose another page. If you have more than one page for Facebook, then you can just click on any of these and it would just be published straight from Canva to your Facebook page. All right, so basically that's it. If you have questions, you can just put your comment down below and I'll be glad to answer that for you. All right, thank you. Bye.